To open the structure wizard, we have to go to the geometry menu. Let us go to the geometry menu, click on geometry option here, left click, and after that just go down. At the bottom portion you will see run structure wizard option, left click on it. Here you can see that different models of the truss are available that you can use in your structure. First we will see the frame models. For that click on this drop down menu over here, model type, and from here choose the frame models. Here you can see different templates of the frame models. First one is the bay frame. We'll see these other options later. Let us first see the bay frame, and double click on it, and over here this dialog box opens. Model name is bay frame, and the length, height and width is given. Also over here you can see number of bays along the length, number of bays along the height, number of bays along the width. So what are these? I'll explain to you. Let me just cancel this for now and minimize this window and open my sketchbook. Okay, here you can see that we got, suppose, a building, okay, and this is the height of the building and this is the length, and let me draw another portion, and this is another column, and this is over here is another column, and this is the ground level. Okay, and suppose that this is your x direction and this is your y direction and this is your z direction, and so this is our first floor slab, this is the second floor slab, this is the third floor slab. Similarly we got columns in the z direction as well. If I draw it, look like this. Okay, this is our building, and we got column here as well and another column. Let us suppose we got two columns only. If I have to draw the plan of this structure, then you can see that this is the first column, second column, third column, fourth column in the x direction, and in the z direction I got 1, 2 and 3 grids. Okay, so one grid, this is already available. Second grid I'm drawing here, second grid is this, and third grid is this one. This is the plan of this building. This is your x direction, this is your z direction. Okay, and this over here is the y direction. The length option that you saw in the Start Pro is from here to here in the x direction. So this is the length in the x direction, and this is the length in the z direction, and this over here, the height of your building, is the length in the y direction. Okay, and number of bays means how many bays you want. This is one bay, this is another bay, this is another bay. So we got 3 bays here in the x direction, and here also in the z direction how many bays we got? We got 1, 2 bays. And in the y direction how many bays we got? We got 1, 2, 3 and 4 bays. So in this way, how your structure is and how you want to define your structure, you can define the bays.